Good morning, children. It's a brand new day, lovely sunshine, no studies. So say good morning, miss. Good morning, children. How are you all? Say it again, loud. Be happy. Today we are going to do something about art and craft and with simple things. Okay. You like ice cream? So, how many ice creams do you eat in a day? Not cup ice cream, kuchi ice cream. You have ice cream sticks, don't throw it, save it up, keep it with you, and then I'll show you what we can do. Okay? Simple. What you like best? What do you need for your class? The first thing you need is a book. If you have a book, a reader, you can read. A book, what can you do with a book without a pencil? So let's make a craft and art with ice cream sticks and we'll make a pencil. Okay? Come on. The things required are ice cream sticks, 4. You can see them clearly? If I hold it up, it will glare. So I'm just keeping it down on the table. 4 ice cream sticks. Then you need some Fevicol or any gum that will stick. You need some paint. Of course, without a paint brush, you cannot use the paint. And you need a little water. Then a small piece of paper is enough and a pair of scissors. Okay, so what we needed was sticks, paint, paintbrush, Fevicol which sticks the sticks, then water for the paint, scissors and a small paper. Now I've got a big paper here. From that I'll show you how you can cut out a small paper. So shall I go now how to make this? Now you need to take 3 sticks together. And how you stick these 3 sticks now? So, I will show you. You take the 4th stick correctly to this measurement, break it, and we need 2 pieces like that. 2 pieces. Okay, so you can cut these edges because it will hurt your hand. Cut this. Now I told you you have to break the sticks to match this length and then put the Fevicol and stick it. Let it dry. In the meanwhile, take a paper, just fold this like this. This is for the pencil nib. Okay, just do this and just cut it straight. Okay, so now we have that paper with the pencil nib. I'll cut this a little shorter. Okay, again now you put the Fevicol and you stick it. So now what we have done is put the 3 sticks together, and to stick the sticks we had to have a back enforcement. We have to have something that will hold it together. So I broke 1 stick. We took 4 sticks. I broke it and I put the Fevicol. I stuck 2 sides so it will be more strong, and then we cut the nib. Now I'll show you how it looks at the back. See now how this looks. I've done this earlier to show this to you. This is stuck firm. See, it doesn't move after it's dried, and this one I stuck at the back. Okay. So now it is partially dried, that is half dried. So I'm going to turn it slowly and gently, put it on the surface and then color it. Now whatever color you like, you can add. You can take the color, take your paint brush and paint this whole thing. Dip it in the water. My paintbrush is a little dry. Okay, and paint it. I am going to paint it red. I love red. Everyone likes red, right? So paint it red. Now pencils come in two colors sometimes, right? The end will be a different color. So paint this nicely, nice and red. Now along with red, I like to use yellow. So I'm going to take the yellow paint. In the meanwhile, I'll close this one. Take the yellow paint and paint the end. Be careful. Hold the paper. Put your finger on the paper here and paint this. The end of the pencil will be yellow. So red and yellow. The lead of your pencil, what color is that? What color is lead? Lead is black. So I'll close the yellow one and I'll take the black, and what I'm going to do is wash the brush, wipe it dry. Now take a little of this, and how your pencil will look, slowly just do this. Okay? That's it. Finished. Put all the brushes that you're using in water. Close all this. Put it all in its place. You should be neat. Okay? Now, the finished product is this. Does it look nice? Do you like your pencil? A red and yellow with the pencil, end of the pencil, the lead, sharp and lovely for you to write. Now you can, this is a fat pencil and you can make a thin one. You can make it only with 2 sticks or 3 sticks. But I think the 3 looks very nice. And I hope you'll try it and it will be easy. All you need is 4 ice cream sticks, 2 color paints or felt pens and Fevicol. And this is how you do it. See, how do you stick these 3 sticks? With another stick at the back and then a little paper in this shape. And then you stick all of them and wait till it dries. Then turn it, color it, and then your pencil end, the lead. Okay, looks nice. Shall I do a background for you? Does this pencil look nice? Yes. Okay, now you do take video and send it to Miss. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.